how to make a Game Pass and please donate on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass within the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone so that then it is displayed on your stand and please donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is go back to the main section of the app on Roblox. And from the main section here, go down to the bottom menu, select More, and then just find and select Create. Once in Create, select the three lines next to Home, and then select Creations. And then all we need to do is find our place. By default, all Roblox users have a place, so select the place. And once it loads the place, go up and select the three lines to the left of Creations, and then find Monetization, select Monetization, and then find and select Passes. Now all we need to do is scroll down, select Create a Pass, and now we can upload an image if we want to, but we don't have to, and all we need to do is give it a name. From there, you can give it a description if you want to. Keep in mind that the name will show up on your stand when people hover over it. Once you've entered at least a name, scroll down, select Create Pass, and then all we need to do is find the Game Pass that we just created. Now, if I scroll to the right, you'll see that it's currently off sale, so we can change that by selecting the pass, and then with the pass selected, select the three lines to the left of Creations, and select Sales. Once in Sales, all we need to do is toggle on Item for Sale, and then we can give it the default price that we want displayed on our stand and please donate. Now keep in mind, you're only going to get 70% of this. So if you do 100, you're only going to get 70 Robux. I'm just going to type 45 so that you can easily see it when it's on the stand. You can enable regional pricing if you want to, but I don't just because it makes it easier to know what I'm going to get. So I'm going to select Save Changes. And now once I've saved the Game Pass as on sale, I can either hit the back button to create other Game Passes if I want to, or I can just select the X, and now I can open up Please Donate and start getting donations with my new Game Pass. So now all I need to do is go up, find an empty stand, and now you can see the Game Pass that we just created is on my stand and please donate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.